It's the Lokshin podcast, fresh, straight up, plus extra episode. Ngizathi sendintroduce abantu inhle ngingene into emfuyo ikhuluma ngakabaleke ekhanda so ekseni bembukele i-documentary about Griselda Blanco. I'm not sure if you know her. Griselda Blanco masalwa mafia cocaine
drugs
we Colombia at some point why competition eka Pablo masalwana why wrong
so she was ruthless
nje ithola abantu
wayichitha abantu
wayibulala amadoda akhe
wayele trying wayelama contract killers akhe ama assassins
they imitate a segment of that piece elikhuluma ngayo in this other movie bengiyibukele
yakhona
fly trying Superfly kuloma grizzle yayo eColombia Mexican so very ruthless thathe lo mfana wamfaka kwenye ishandisi so engathi ihita leyamchisa so
avele ulama
bese kungumntana wakhe.
A lot of films have been created about
her even Queen of the South ule resemblance yakhe Queen of the South ilana kama sister lwana waqale wabaleke eMexico ke America waqasha ukufisha ama drugs then agcina se blind ugcina se talk yeah so there's a lot of stories Jay.
So what's the motive before we
so in that mfuyo ibuzela ukuthi like cocaine but egoli like easily accessible so is the layo ile that atmosphere yona leyani sibona eAmerica uma documentary abo Cuba Colombia or vele I saw into too deep. It's just nje
bra
it's seen on TV
yabona
in short nje the way uyibona ngayo ku TV is the way uyibona ngayo like in real life but basically not everywhere kulendawo zakhona just not everywhere but wherever it is vele it's that Pablo Shandis is fine. I know I used to know people ukuthi these ones they send girls to go and stash at the Shandis like overseas. Yeah, disguise. Some of the girls they get caught that side, they never come back. Some of them make it back and come and live in
Nigeria. Documentary ngayibonayo abasisi abababamba eBrazil from South Africa. Bahambisa ama drugs bamsi cocaine.
Ayisibola abantu babasha nge-death sentence.
Ulalwana yilama wayefake
kuma logs
yabo. So lapha to us sikubona kuma movie but ngale it's as real as we see it.
Yeah. Even that thing of people dying for the stuff. Someone is getting killed for being a snitch.
Yeah.
And so like snitch is getting stitches. That Shandy is very like it's raw.
I think okwenza i-rate yama drugs eDurban kule
Cape Town that's
Cape lokuzeni uyiDurban endlela khona izikepe and stuff.
Airport.
Whatever.
Durban kulamahaba even in Cape Town kulamahaba. So it's those places okulamahaba khona ama drugs anyeka yeke kuba khona ngoba they are transported mostly through amanzi.
Ngoba nge-airport i-drug
ngoba nge-airport ya chances hayi singabhema of course akhona ama success. So imagine umuntu if umuntu engakwanisa ukuthi athumele ishipment uzokuthiwa amapholisa abambe ishipment worth 20 million rands right sikhuluma ngama drugs amanganani la
1 million US dollars
sikhuluma ngama drugs abethengiswa ngabantu futhi on the street right which means uyabule territory lana kumele uyiprotect people have to
yabona lo kya king anti kumele ube money makes things move kumele ube le mali not just imali nyana yabona phela la yiyo la okuthiwa ngama top syndicate crimes ama high rate crimes so yabona you know man so yabona those things they take a lot of money to be moved from this point to another point but they get it done especially you must never think ukuthi airport they can do some stuff like that they can smuggle
akhona ama success amaningi
because umuntu yatholiswa something yabanjiswa wena bamba la
I think ama bust abakhona it's a way yokuthi bebona ngani siyasebenza
Alright.
You understand? But akhona ama-success. They just don't write about them.
Jake so umuntu othengisa i-drug as hard as cocaine nje. Even sesifaka lapha kubulawayo nje. Ngithi ngise-crystal meth unembeza ke nje. Nxa uyibona intwana leyani isa-fresh kuyigezile izothenga first day nje. Kuthini nje nxa uyibona intwana lana nasi isa-fresh intwana.
I think umuntu ongakuphendula kuhle umuntu oke wangena ku-trade wakuyenza lokhana ukuthi you-feeling lana muntu yokuthi you've just messed up someone's life.
But because like
but I think money is blinding. But if there is money in front of you, you don't see shit. That thing generates a lot of money. With those guys, they don't even have time to think about it. When they're only thinking about money. And so
so if
I saw Tupac fucking up this other dealer. Wafika wayithola ithengisela umama ki drug. Fika ishanga amanye Mike Tyson
Tupac kwa la videos akamanengi so je internet.
Yazi remember lana.
Why superstar wathi abantu babithula amakamera kumshumi.
Phela lamjida leya
he's the only artist.
Bahamba bayolay complain ku record label yakho ukuthi amani. Tshelani lo mjida lo ukuthi sicela ukuthi akhiphe ingoma lezi vele zingasadlali.
Brenda Scary Baby.
Brenda Scary Baby.
Brenda Scary Baby.
Wathwa when content yakho lena yabona manje
ukhuluma ngomntwana omncane rich.
Influence abantu
into eyikhulumayo i reality into
eyenzakalayo. Wena besithi abantu people want to listen to some nice music ukuthi party music, you know that party stuff.
Nxa ufuna ubona
yena wathi that's your people who want that. Mina my people have a lot going on in their lives, but they can't, like they're going through stuff they can't talk about. So I'm just a voice.
That
translating
dude,
what these people
that dude
are going through.
Is the only dude
who we see those kind of things. People getting raped, people getting killed. So but the media didn't want, maybe they were hiding that from maybe some part of the world. We don't want the world to know this is happening in our country.
Yeah. So he was that I feel like moyo ebuya ngero. Moyo ebuya ngenyoro.
Yeah.
Ba.
But
Bob Marley.
Lefena into babezi Tupac into babezi rapper babeziphila nje.
Babekuphila. Now isithi Boston nigga up. Babeqinisile akwadubula umuntu. Tupac ngabona umntwana umuntu.
Wathola amanye
amapolice.
Wathola amanye amakhiwa so beshaya umunye umjida so ngudaki. Bembambisi umduli so bembambisa imota ngapha bemsearcha ngapha bemchaya izitayela zonke. Yena waphuma lapha. Wathi sithi kanti kenzakalani lezi yazathi hayi wena ungazosijwayela futhi uyele emoteni. Buyele emoteni for sure but yafika yabona ipistol esithi
Chase lichayile libombi LPD
ngeke mphinde
ngoba yabona with the whole item eka PDD wathi hip hop time ba expose na phela ubu fake ungezobe ukutshela ukuhloba ukutshela ukuthi 50 Cent was never shot 9 times ngokuyi marketing gimmick
yeah
but nxa usubona ukuthi Tupac olama original videos ekwenza nje
but yes wathi manje uyi video kubona kutrend these days uthi he was talking about Jama record label the management yakhe ukuthi from i start sami ngiqalisa ngingudayiza ngizikhulele ekasi ngizidlela amagwi yani ngithenge imisikeni but then bona siba bawuthinjisa lifestyle and to a certain extent ucine sokuyi isikufika la into yangikhona ukuthi cina la isimkhawade yabo ngabe ke kule reality yakhe nje ukuthi kale thina ngumuntu but kwenzakala into lana ukuthi akusikho le brutality enzayo phambili njena ngumuntu omnyama for fact of it and babiyenza futhi phezulu umuntu omnyama because this celebrity so many resisted sure bazathina
so some people might say he was impulsive but in actual fact I felt like he actually stood for what he spoke about.
Yeah.
So usually when you stand for what you speak about, you don't last long.
Abantu awusozwe
Last
kuncane.
long, bra. Iyabu le timeline. Cause khangela, umemba lana bamba bayamchaya ngematch ka Mike Tyson. Ivideo lana yakhumbula egqoki i-shirt engani igold. Umemba lana bafika eCasino bafika bamkhaba bamchaya.
Shayile style ukuthi ufake.
Emundi J is the same guy wambulala.
Lapha kanti lomtitala ntu bevalo bani
Namchuni Sofia.
yayibihamba nosuthi ya
Wafamthi bumper wawa Mundi J.
Yeah.
Khani smafia lesiya yabona so ngumuntu wayesithi nxa ngilawe
hey
vele nxa ngilawe noma kuyilahla noma kunjani, but then it led to his death.
Wayephila isikasi.
Ngoba yena lapha wangena i-street war yena artist. Yiyo ama-artist into omele ayifunde ukuthi there is a difference, ama-life lawa ayi-two ahlukile. Awungeke uphile ndoda impilo
isn't it the same thing yenze ngu-J Cole?
Uyenzeni J Cole?
Like what Nkosi is saying, Nkosi uthi maybe yena he got into the wrong side and he was supposed to be an artist but he ended up being a gangster.
Yeah.
Or trapped up in like stuck in a
Awucine
gangster's
phila,
world.
ucine phila.
That's what made him to be like that.
Yeah.
So J Cole apparently the time iqala beef yakhe and bekunguye lo Kendrick lo Drake. And then J Cole there were shots fired. What respond?
What release
I'm told. And then what lela track lela maybe after a couple of days walikhipha lela track lela wathi yazini na akafuni ukungena kule part of le beef lena ayimlalisi kahle lasebusuku because yena that's not what he came for. Yena is a pure artist, is all about good vibes. So manje la abantu sebemvayisa to that area la angafuni
ukuba khona angamfunile.
Mina feel like
so wahle wathi hayi niyazikhipha abantu bathi hayi chickened out.
Yeah,
yangithola
mina bra
basically it means the same thing yona leyo isho ukuthi sometimes you get stuck in a world where you were not intending to be, like yena bese ku gangster yena as an artist
kumele yena ebe push art wagcina se caught up. But yabona
so into eyathunwa nguphaka
on the Cole
wajoyina ubu
yabona on the Cole issue kule ngoma abayikhiphayo uJ Cole lo Kendrick lo Drake bekhuluma esithi wathi it's us at the top,
first
but
person shoot.
I'm Muhammad Ali, I'm the greatest of all time, you understand?
Yes.
So when you attest to being the greatest of all time and then someone challenges that
You
point
for
or
that time.
and then you go back on your head, somehow to other people it assets some sort of weakness or some sort of you couldn't stay at your head. Why would you say you're the best of all time and then someone says you're not the best of all time, I'm the best of all time, usuxolisa? Why did you say that in the first place?
So mina mbona ni vibe lipi yanothi angiblind emphikisane lawo yaswini you can have it.
It's being the bigger person in the picture.
Uche Cole tshengile zane ezi
Machens
esifukuba
but now look, we are talking about a competitive type of hip hop is based more on lyricism, and we believe ukuthi you can only be the best if you word play yakho blind.
Vele le lyrical content ye hip hop, that's why it's mina
yabona fine. So you've been hyping yourself for almost all your career, and we believe ukuthi your penmanship yakho is at some sort of god level, and
then hip hop point kamundi which it's all about being blind. That's why most of the boys, me on my Versace and my Porsche and my Ferrari,
illest flow, the dopest sneaker alive,
the freshest alive.
The hip hop is so crazy.
You're saying like
sure.
in a competitive way, you are supposed to respond in a competitive way. So then look at
Uyinkiti wathi andipindule madisi. Uthini uyinkiti la wathi kaphendula madisi.
Maybe kakwanisi.
But
it might be that, but sometimes the conscience
this is hip hop. We talk about hip hop. Hip hop is the most competitive
sport
genre,
vele leya
whether
vele
you like it or
it's
not.
about competition.
Fana lokuthi mina
But-
ngikhi ayisenchallenge
ekuchallenge kubheki you understand
Yeah.
Okay,
Ngeke
yazi kulamanye
ngivale.
ama-artist lights
Ngeke
and
ngikuvaye.
ngeke mvale
lights
Big Lil
yazi
Yabo.
kulamanye ama-artist
Kuzekine
and
sekuyise le
Mina
phakathi.
ngingcolisa phambi kwabantu
but
nje
uyabona
Akuye.
so thina
Yeah,
sasala
man.
sile feeling yokuthini
kulamanye ama-artist and
Right.
ukuthi
Right.
i-artist lakhona
Kanti
ulicabanga
because
so
wesaba
and
soze bewazi.
kanti ukuthi bayokungcolisa
umthole entswembu kakhulu and but he's not the best but uthola kushayele i-delivery sibale yakulimaza la usho ukuthi ya it's like having a lot of interesting artists like mangingayenza i-sequence maybe ngithi uJ Cole ngithi maybe uJoyner Lucas and then Kanye West ngithi Lil Wayne yabona ngama-flavor yangithola but bonke labantu laba or ngithi Eminem we know who's the best and but kuloku any of them uJ Cole angadecide ukundilimaza ngetrack la who's the best well it's obvious it's bad Slim Shady
That's why
greatest
But
of all time
Jay-Z.
Eminem
obvious
hayi Marshall Mathers Ujika
Jay-Z wathi I'm the Pope John Paul the way you follow Jika everybody wanna be Hov but Hov still alive you wanna know why Hov is a living legend
phela ama-legends can coexist so manje ipoint yakhe yena
ipoint
is
ka-J Cole nale ukuthi sekwanisa uba blind isisonke
but you might be be the best but it doesn't mean ukuthi
stop saying
you
So I mean,
you are
it's interesting enough because now it's more based in the European side of it, of which I'm so scared. Would you go why we can have this kind of competition, or is it there somewhere? Can you compare?
it is there somewhere it has to be there like vele let's talk about that.
kuyahlonitshwana too much
No, it's not about that. People,
ugcwele
like,
ama-Paris
no, people they don't have anything to fight for. Yeah, well, Mina, you know what I think.
Like
There's nothing to fight for, Spal. You know all these things, the tension that goes on, it comes from
there's
something.
nothing to fight for
Yes.
Jiggy
Should I tell you the things to fight for first?
why
it's
is
not
it like
Korean, Baba.
I can. Let me tell you the things to fight for.
Yeah.
Like in this kind of topic, and I'm trying to refer to stuff that attracts those kind of fights, like money to throw around. Do rappers got money to throw around? Do you got finance speeches? You do not have that. So that's why everyone is chilled. Like you don't have nothing that can beef you.
ama-beaches
Am I right or am I right? No, I'm talking at a
Let's
standard
just maybe
level.
put
Standard
money-
level.
Because
Salibona,
maybe you're
yeah.
not just talking about hip hop literally, just like
I'm talking about
as an
hip-hop.
artist, like
Like hip hop. Competition evalency, the main focus of the competition is hip hop. And so that's why those guys they compete against each other, they start dissing each other. So but manje, like they got things to fight for. Like hey, who told you you're the best when I was there in the club with you? You couldn't even throw 100. Then I was popping champagne, throwing thousands.
basesesithi kulabonezi J abarapper vele bengakhulumi ngemali but samthandela isitili sakhe.
No, they loved him back then. Phela I think manje sikhuluma ngama present artist because phela yabona
back then ngokela mali ma-device.
involvement yakho.
Yeah,
Back then people wanted realness.
Yeah,
Back then people
his
wanted
point
realness.
is-
Now people don't
His
give
point
a
comes
shit
back
about
also to my
realness.
point to say
They want to see
say understand us.
they want to see something interesting, enticing, exciting. They don't give a fuck about realness.
But the
Yabo.
artist,
That's why they will tell
But what
you
I'm saying is
what,
that
they are even selling things to enhance like your body, like your palms, your boobs and stuff. People don't care about real anymore. They only want to see luxury with their own eyes. Not like feel luxury. They want to see luxury. It gives them satisfaction.
mina enye point endayo I feel like ama-artist amaningi somehow they are failing to reach standards sakubulawa.
All right.
What's the standard?
Sikhuluma ngobani for example abayenza standards abobulawa.
Hayi lapha sikhuluma nge-hip hop.
Yeah.
Aren't we talking about hip hop?
Yeah.
Ubulawayo angazi ukuthi mbani wasisethele standard but wasifakela standards phezulu.
Kelvin for example.
It's like there's a certain level that's expected to hambe ngayo now rap.
ASAP.
Yeah, understand ngikalami. Ukuthi sithi hayi yabona lo uyachaya. You remember Kasi Lunatics?
Yeah.
Yabakhumbula Mundial. If you remember Kasi Lunatics, you know those boys were good.
Yeah.
They were good. You understand?
They
So for abom rapper ukuthi sithi ayabona lo manje uyapusha. I feel like there was a certain level, a certain ngathi a certain category cadence munda. Ukuthi umuntu nxa kulalele can be like this is a blues nigga. Noma kuthiwani asikho hip hop le hip hop yakubulawayo.
Uchuta sila like trademark.
Trademark. Yeah.
We had a glimpse of that,
but you could understand ukuthi this is a guy from Bulawayo.
So you can kukhuluma ukuthi the people that are authentic lapha ko Bulawayo somehow ama gatekeepers angani afaka ama padlock. Abantu abayibo abathwele istew. Umuntu othwele iGerman khahoops. Uyabona? Yiba abantu esistruggle ukuthi sithole access to bona. Why? Because they are independent. As long as you are not under an umbrella of some sort, kunzima ukuthi uzophuma ngayo. So how do we support these guys? Mina into vele ngifuna sikhuluma. How do we support these guys? Esikwazi ukuthi lo echa amabhazi langalize lephuma, amabhazi angamabhazi. Ayikhona umfanekiso wamabhazi. How do we support these underground artists? Esikwazi ukuthi baba ngabuthatha ukulawa bemchiya lapha.
So vele there are guys like that, they are everywhere and but then ulama regular, the regular ones ukuthi okay you know ukuthi this one is not a underground type of a rapper ne? And then abantu abanjalo like bale trademark yabo bodwa and then kube lama underground yabo ama underground is hard to tell because the influence yakhona is not drawn from ikas. Influence yakhona maybe it's drawn from kuma social.
Okay.
Yabona kuma digital world. But da ikas anti abona masikhuluma like for example and mina kulo this guy ngambona emzilikazi kuthiwa nguAsaf noma nguAsaf. Yamchita like before ngimbona khona ngale I used to see him on media. Like he's doing something on the media but ngathi ngimbona ngathi nguye lo mjita lo at least sengizwe just a couple of tracks kuya kahle. So point ukuthi and for me ukuthi I got to know that guy before I met him there. It means very someone is always watching.
Yeah.
So with so much consistency ukuthi ngizila khuluma ngayo my make izolo ukuthi if you put something in yabo you give them they can hold on to that but while they're holding on to that they're waiting for something.
Yeah, sure.
They're expecting something more. Yabo. So if you deliver again, you're giving them time to speculate you now. They want to see how much more do you have.
Okay.
They're expecting more. Manje lawe ungashaya and remember yaqala maybe ngabantu abangu 100. The next thing obuya la and yabona ngabantu abangu 200. But mawushaya the third one and yakwanisa ukuthola a new audience yabantu abangu 300, not the ones who saw you on that other one and the first one and the second.
Sorry, I think because my device needs more time with you, my guy.
Like,
my light is giving me some trouble,
I wanted to wrap it up. There's so much about the school mengayo. there's so much I felt like sithethe sifike ekucineni laphana bese sifika to the juicy part. But we didn't quite get there, but at least isikwanisile ukuthi sifike kwampamba.
Juice.
So to the audience, please join in on the conversation, put it up kuma comments and help us try to find a way yokuthi sincedisane. And you know how it is. It's always been the one and the only umfana wakho, ubaba wakho, uSugar Daddy wakho, Ivan Rokovic, aka the one and only, the prolonger, the dissipator, the assassinator, the decorator, the devator. And there was Nkama Losbali, aka K-Slam.
Okay, right, my device wakhona lona akukho kunengo
ngicela kusasa. Socials.
Kuma socials ngiyatholakala ku Facebook K-Slam my device, TikTok K-Slam my device, Twitter 10 cities.
Oh, la 10 cities.
K-Slam my device. Okay, right, my device. I story is so
from the creators of This is life, and life is still moving. It's the Lotion Podcast. Ungama ukuphila ungakami.
Kwakunyela.